Apple Notes has a nifty feature that lets you show link previews for any web link that you save. I love this feature as it lets me quickly pass and triage the links without opening them. It's especially handy for video links as you cannot tell by looking at YouTube links what videos it opens. So let's see how you can get and show link previews in Apple Notes. In this note, I have a couple of YouTube links. You can only guess what videos these links point to. Let's change this behavior, shall we? To enable link preview for any link in the Notes app, long press on the link and choose the Show Link Preview option if it is available. It will add a preview of the link with a thumbnail and the title of the page it opens. To change the preview size, long press on it and tap the View As button. You can choose between the large, small and plain link options. Notice that when you choose the plain link option, it replaces the link with the title of the page, which is quite handy. So, adding a link preview in the Apple Notes is super simple, but occasionally, the Show Link Preview option doesn't show when you long press a link. It might be because of the developer beta on my iPhone. If you are also running a beta version or can't figure out what's going wrong, I have got you covered. Here's how to fix it. Long press on the link and tap the Edit Link option. Tap the cross mark next to the name field to clear it. Then tap the Done button to save changes. Now, long press on the link again and it will show you the Show Link Preview option. That does it for this video. Click here to learn how to request desktop sites on iPhone. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.